In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger video call camera off problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Messenger app, click on Messenger, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on permission, allow camera permission, phone permission, photos and videos permission. Now go back, scroll down, find out picture in picture, click on it. Now enable allow picture in picture. Now open Messenger app. Now call someone. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger video call camera off problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.